Korean best parts and materials manufacturer based on tungsten, KBM. We supply various products utilizing the second hardest material, tungsten, followed by diamond, which melts at 3,400 degrees Celsius. We mainly produce heat source parts used for vacuum metallizing. Vacuum metallizing, electric beam, ion beam, filament are used for coating and surface treatment of cell phone case, camera lens, and cosmetics container, as well as lamp reflectors for cars. KBM has its excellent technical skills in the area of manufacturing machines, parts and equipment used for processing semiconductor. Based on this, we manufacture probe pins, AIN heater coils, moly mesh, ion filament for ion implant, exporting to over 30 countries all over the world. KBM has become specialized in manufacturing tungsten-based parts and in technical sales. We stably purchase metal powder used for cemented carbide and diamond tools material from Chongyi, Tungsten Company, having its own mine, and from GEM, and we supply them to various domestic companies in Korea. Recently, to provide the best vacuum metallizing filament, we implemented state-of-the-art machines to verify performance of our products by ourselves. Constant and vigorous R&D leads the KBM to the world-class manufacturer. Established in 2000, we attained $45.8 million in sales volume in 19 years. We continuously expand our business to various areas like vacuum metallizing, metal powder, cutting tools, and parts for semiconductor testing. KBM, the part and material manufacturing company specialized in tungsten. We will do our best to offer you the greatest experience based on sincere trust we have built.